in this challenge review, we're going to look at how to make it so that we don't spawn that middle character. So the first thing we need to do when looking at this problem is, where does that spawn happen? So if we open up our single player, or if we open up our co-op mode, that spawn happens when we start the game and our menu disappears, which happens in the game manager. So let's open that script up. And you'll see here that we actually instantiate the player. So basically, we only want to instantiate the player if co-op mode, right? So if co-op mode, or if co-op mode is false, then instantiate the player. That's our pseudocode right there. So let's just go ahead and convert it. So let's create an if statement. If is co-op mode is equal to false, then we need to instantiate the player. Otherwise, we're assuming that it's co-op mode and the player is already in play. Save this. Let's go ahead, test it out. Head back to the main menu, run our game. Select co-op, and there we go. Now, we have a problem now that, oh, we had to hit space key to get rid of the menu. Okay, very cool. And we're good to go. So now we control both the players and we're in co-op mode. So now what we have to do, the last thing for this game, is to isolate the players. I'll see you in the next challenge.